If you were to utilize ChatGPT 4, then you can go around and get much more capabilities. For example, over here, once you get onto ChatGPT 4 right here, you see that you have an attachment option right here. So over here, what you can do is you can upload out images as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to upload from computer right here, just like this, and I'm going to choose an image that I have. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and select out one image. So let's say, for example, let me just go around over here and select out this image right here. So now I can go around and ask ChatGPT. Let's say, for example, I can ask, explain what is there in this picture right here, just like this. So let me just go around and then ask this out right here, so with the picture. So now what happens is that it analyzes out the picture and will explain it out. So now it says the picture shows a blue Ford Raptor, a high-performance off-road pickup truck. The vehicle is parked in outdoor setting with a scenic background that includes hills or mountains and cloudy skies. The truck is notable for its robust build, large tires, and distinctive front grille with the Ford emblem prominently displayed. The surrounding area appears to be a parking spot with wet pavement, suggesting recent or ongoing rain. So you can see that it goes around and analyzes the pictures out just like this. And that is how you can upload out images inside of ChatGPT and interact with ChatGPT accordingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.